How to fight better with your partner. Ever felt like you're having the same argument on repeat, or like you're speaking two different languages? Here's how to fight better, not harder, with your partner. Step 1. Validate before you fix. When your partner's upset, skip the logic and listen. Say, "I get why you'd feel that way," and pause. Let them feel heard before offering advice. Step 2. Ask what they need. Instead of guessing, say, "What would help most right now?" Let them guide the next step, not your impulse to fix it. Step 3. Only offer solutions if they want them. Sometimes they just need support, not a strategy session. Bonus tip: when you're overwhelmed, don't storm out. Say, "I need 10 minutes to calm down so I can really hear you. Let's pause and come back." That keeps connection intact, even during conflict. And never say, "You're being irrational." Try, "Help me understand why this hurts so much." Because fighting better starts with listening better.